Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Zambia using the Remitly app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Remitly app, then go to the home page, and on the top left corner of the screen, you can choose the recipient country, in our case, Zambia. And when you choose the country, you just have to tap on the bottom of the screen on the Get Started icon. And when you get started, you just have to type in the amount of money that you would like to send. On the top, you're going to see your local currency, and below that, you're going to see the same amount in the recipient country's currency. Then you have to choose the delivery method. For Zambia, we have three options: mobile money, bank deposit, or cash pickup. So just choose the one that you prefer. I'm going with bank deposit. Then you have to choose one of the available banks for Zambia. Then you have to add the recipient's account number. This is very important, so be careful to type in the correct number. Obviously, I'm just using a fictional number here and the fictional name. You have to add the name of the recipient as well. Then tap on continue. You have to add the city and the province in Zambia. Then tap on continue. You can also add a phone number for the recipient, but you can also skip this step as well. And the last step is going to be adding the debit or credit card details of the recipient. And the Remitly app is just going to take that amount of money from your debit or credit card account and send it to the recipient just as a normal payment, online payment. So that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.